Hi, this is Miss Ann for Tween and Teen Cooking. Today's recipe comes from Mexico. We're making Mexican rice. You will need 1 cup of uncooked long grain rice, a ½ teaspoon of ground cumin, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 cups of chicken broth, and a ½ cup of tomato sauce. So I added 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to my skillet, and it's on medium heat. So we are going to add the onions. We're going to saute them. The rice, so we're going to brown the rice a little bit. The salt and the cumin. And you are going to stir it consistently until rice is puffed and golden. And the onions will be caramelized a little bit. We're going to let that get happy. So we are going to go ahead and stir in 2 cups of chicken broth. Going to sizzle a little bit. We need another cup. This smells delicious. Go ahead and stir in your ½ cup of tomato sauce. And you want to bring it to a bubble. Bring it to a boil, I meant to say. I'm going to stir it up really well. So we are going to bring it back to a boil, and then you're going to reduce the heat to low and cover it and let it simmer for 25 minutes. It should be fluffy rice when you use a fork. So it's going to absorb all the rice. It's just starting to boil again. Okay, it's boiling, so we are going to put a lid on it. And we're going to turn it down to low and let it simmer for 25 minutes. So I let my Mexican rice set for a few minutes on the burner. And I want to show you what it looks like. It's light and fluffy. It looks good. The broth and the tomato sauce is absorbed. Look at this Mexican rice. It looks delicious. So let me sample it. I have to try it one more time. I most definitely give this recipe a thumbs up. It is delicious. It is so good. So join me next time. We are traveling to China. Thank you for watching.